What a day. What a day. And I've only been awake for 45 minutes. Wow. I'm telling you, my ADHD is doing a lot this morning. I'm finally awake. And if you're wondering why I'm covering myself like so this morning, is because I just hopped out of the bath and I have nothing but a towel on. So rather than using my robe normally, I'd rather do this and speak in an old English accent, which I'm probably doing quite poorly. Let me get dressed and Hello everybody, welcome back to Junior's Journey, a channel where I talk about Christ, beauty, and all things Mar, which is me and my life. I figured I'd come to y'all with this eye look. I got this brand new Sephora color shifter palette. It has a bunch of really fun and cool colors in it. And I'm really interested in trying to use this color. So I want to see if I can use this entire thing and do a cool eye look. As you see, I have very angry, what are these, leopards, cheetahs, leopard cheetahs things happening on my outfit today. And I kind of wanted to give it some justice. So let me go put on my base face, and my eyebrows is on, and I'll come back to y'all in a second. My face is done. If you want to check out the video of how I got my face routine, it's already uploaded, and I will include a picture somewhere in the screen. Let's zoom you in so you can see how I'm going to execute this look, because I don't know how I'm gonna do it. Alright, y'all already know the deal. Put my e.l.f. concealer. Gosh, I don't know what my stuff is. I'm putting my e.l.f. primer. There we go. Who's been filming for 3 hours? I have. Actually, I'm exaggerating. It hasn't actually been 3 hours. It's been like 1 1/4. So $1.25 of filming. Does that even make sense? So we got the base on. I kind of want to do something smoky-ish, which means that I would need something. So I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the color Rich Ebony. As you see, it is rather a rich ebony color. And I'm going to use that as a base for my shadow. So let me put this bad boy on. As you see, she is a rich ebony color, but we're gonna use her as a base today. Gonna blend her all out, pat her all in. Next, we are gonna go into this Sephora color shifter palette, which I'm so excited to use. So excited. And I'm gonna take this color here. It doesn't have a name, but it is a very camely color. I'm gonna use her as my transition color and see how that goes. I don't know how it's gonna go, but we're gonna go for it. It's not bad. Do that all the way even up in here. Because I'm extra, I'm using another palette. I like these little mini things because they're cute and they pack well. I'm gonna do this Essence Dancing Green palette. You are the dancing green, young and sweet only. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna take this color here and see if that does anything. I'm taking my fluffy brush and just dust her from the outer inner to the crease. Bear with me. I've really been loving doing this British kind of accent, and I wonder what it'd be like if I did it to just about everything. Can you imagine if that accent was done to Sir Mix-a-Lot's Baby Got Back? Because I'm pretty sure y'all know the intro to that. By Jove, Rebecca, forgot her rear end. It's absolutely gargantuan. So yes, put that color, this one, it's kind of olivey, and work that into your outer corner as well as your crease. And just ta-da. Gonna go back into that Sephora color shifter. Jeez Louise. I'm gonna take this dark brown color, dip that baby in there, and then I'm going to focus on the outer corner of my eye. I'm actually gonna try to do it with my favorite eye. If you know the joke, then you know what I'm talking about. My ADHD has been doing a lot lately. It's been making me say wild things, man. Focus all of that color on the outside there. What I've been liking to do, kind of changing my eye shape a little bit, is kind of just pushing that almost like in a vertical angle upwards. See, like that, like that. Just kind of vertically angle it, buff out those edges. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Now that my foolishness is getting to be a little weird, I'm gonna take this brownish kind of shimmery color here. I'm gonna pat that on this kind of outer corner situation where it's not necessarily the main part of my eyelid, but it's like somewhat the main part of my eyelid. It's not the star of the show, let's just say that. She's like the understudy, adjunct faculty of the show. Kinda sorta on the main lid, but don't worry, we're gonna do something else. And if you need to, go back and forth with that other brown kind of color, blend her into that so they look like they're married. Be the officiate to them. Now, for the proper star of the show, we're gonna take this color. Ooh, and she is so pretty. We're gonna take this pretty color and I'm gonna work that into my brush like this. And then I'm gonna spritz my brush so we can get a nice little pop of color. Oh, all ready? Sometimes I make impulse buys that I'll be like, oh my goodness, should I have bought this? And then I try them on and I'm like, yeah, I should have, and I'm glad that I did. Cause this color, y'all, is so pretty. Okay, she is stunning. Period pool pie. This color is beautiful. Sephora. Can you imagine that was the name of like someone's daughter? Sephora. Get over here. But literally, like, this color is so stunning, especially if you have a darker skin complexion such as I've been digging this green situation that I got going on. So I'm gonna take this Essence Stay and Play long lasting waterproof gel eyeliner in the color Emerald. She's very pretty. I want to see how I feel about it, and I want to see if I could line my upper waterline, my upper lash line, and see what that does with this really pretty. This is a very pretty green. It's not bad, guys. Bad for someone winging it. That's what she's looking like so far. This palette comes with this kind of like matte whatever this is. I kind of want to use all the colors, so I'm going to see how I feel about her just kind of buffing out those edges there. It's not bad, it's not great. This is just to kind of buff out those edges. Back to this dancing green palette, I'm gonna take this color here and I'm going to put it on my inner corner of my eye. Y'all are sleeping on Essence if you haven't got a hip yet, because Essence is doing some things that shocking, dear, shocking. I'm gonna also take this light color from this Essence palette and put it on my brow bone. We're not upset. So far, we're not upset. Incroyable. I don't even know if that's the actual French way to say it. Incroyable. Sorry. Next, I'm going to take this NYX eye and eyebrow pencil in the color Cafe. It's kind of like shimmery. And then I'm going to line my lower lash line with that. It's kind of like a chocolatey brown. We're going to take this shimmery brown from the Shapeshifter. Dang it, I keep calling it Shapeshifter. Color Shifter palette. I'm going to take this shimmery brown and then I'm going to kind of pack smudge that on the inner corner portion of my eye. I had a piece of it go in my eye. I'm blind. Not really. I'm not happy about that. Anyway, then I'm going to take that pretty green color and I'm gonna go into the middle of my eye with that. Try my best to not go blind here. Then I'm gonna take the darker color and stick it on the very outer edge of the eye. Try your best to not make a mess, as I am currently. Love that for me. And then in an attempt to be extra, take that kind of camely color and then run it on the very lower part of those colors to really bring them together. Ta-da! Okay, this is kind of what we're working with here. Let me go put on my lashes and I'll bring you guys in for the lip look of what I was thinking. You know the drill. Alrighty, we're back. Eyelashes on, eyebrows on. So for the lips, I thought I would do something cool, earthy, neutral, or whatever, because I figured it would look really, really cute. So I'm gonna go in with my Nika K dark brown automatic lip liner pencil. My lips are moisturized with Vaseline because shorty been real dry, even though it's like raining outside, but Boston air tends to be dry for some reason. Now that my lips are lined, I'm also going to use this NYX Lip Lingerie. That's the word I'm looking for. Lip Lingerie. Say that 6 times fast. And this is in the color Beauty Mark. I love this color because it's like a nice muted brown, like a cool tone brown, which kind of goes in with the cool tones that I'm working on my eyes. Working with on my eyes. Alright guys, this is the final look. I'm really digging it. I've actually been doing a good job lately and I'm proud of myself. Good noodle. She's a good noodle. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching yet another beauty tutorial. I hope that this brought something to your day, brought a blessing to your day, because it's been making me feel good just to record and bring some sort of joy to whoever watches this. Read God's word today if you haven't, and like, subscribe, hit the notification bell just to keep up to date with whatever I'm doing. And if no one told you today or any point, I love you. Bye.